class 9. So here today's topic here is bacteria and its importance in various fields. So bacteria, it's not only harmful all the time, but it has some importance, beneficial. It plays a beneficial role, okay, in the environment. Okay, so today I'm going to start. Okay, I'm going to talk on the topic importance of bacteria in the field of agriculture. Okay, so bacteria, they are mainly three types. See, nitrogen fixing bacteria, nitrifying bacteria, and denitrifying bacteria. So before I explain you this, you should know that all living organisms, we know that we need different kind of gases, no, to live in. We just like oxygen also, we need some other gases like nitrogen is also important. Okay, so about 80% of the atmospheric gas, it contains nitrogen. But nitrogen, if you see in all living organism, it is not we are unable to take in nitrogen directly. So that may cause nitrogen deficiency in all living organisms. Okay, so for that we have useful bacteria that converts nitrogen into ammonia. Okay, so these ammonia, they can be utilized, they can be used by the living organism, whether it may be plants, animals, or microorganisms also. Okay, so now for those purpose, there are three types. Nitrogen fixing bacteria. Now see, what are nitrogen fixing bacteria? These bacteria, okay, they convert nitrogen, okay, gas into ammonia here. Okay, so example here, those bacteria, we call them azotobacter, then clostridium bacteria are there that converts nitrogen gas, okay, into ammonia. Okay, after it is converted in ammonia, then only it can be utilized by the plants. Okay, this process is also known as nitrogen fixing. The process of converting nitrogen into ammonia, it is known as nitrogen fixing. Okay, so these bacteria that converts nitrogen and ammonia, they are also known as aminofying bacteria. Okay, then the second one is nitrifying bacteria. Now you know that nitrogen is converted into ammonia. So further use, they again have to be converted, no, into nitrites, into simpler compounds, simpler form. Okay, ammonia, then again it is converted, is broken down into nitrites, from nitrites to nitrates. So that is done by nitrifying bacteria. The conversion of ammonia to nitrites, and from nitrites to nitrates. The process is known as nitrification, and the bacteria responsible for that, they are known as nitrifying bacteria. Okay, so when ammonia, bacteria that converts ammonia to nitrites, okay, example of it, they are known as nitrosomonas. Okay, these are bacteria that converts ammonia to nitrites. Then another one is nitrobacter. It converts nitrites to nitrates. So these are some example of nitrifying bacteria. Okay, then the third one is the denitrifying bacteria. So please remember there's a cycle going on. Okay, now see, these denitrifying bacteria, the work is to convert or obtain energy back by breaking this nitrites to nitrogen gas. Okay, and those nitrogen gas, they escape to the atmosphere. So then again what happens, again from the atmosphere, the nitrogen fixing bacteria are there to trap them, change in the ammonia. So cycle is going on, yes or no? So these there are some denitrifying bacteria that are responsible for breaking again this nitrites, okay, converting into nitrogen gas. So you can see that there are Micrococcus denitrificans, okay, Acromobacter, sorry, then Thiobacillus, denitrificants. Okay, they are the bacteria, denitrifying bacteria. Okay, and they convert or obtain energy back by breaking down nitrates to nitrogen gas again. So the cycle keeps on going in order to keep the balance of nitrogen in the atmosphere also. Okay, now, okay, so these are responsible. So that is how they get all the required amount of nitrogen that is needed by a body, but not in a direct form, but in an indirect form. Okay, after the formation of ammonia. Okay, so for the proper growth and for the plants to become healthy. Okay, so this is what the importance of bacteria in the fields of agriculture. Okay, so hope you have understood. And the next topic I'll be discussing is about the importance of bacteria in the field of medicines. Okay, so please go through that video also. So hope you have enjoyed it. So these are the importance of bacteria in the field of agriculture. Okay, so you'll be studying the harmful effects of bacteria also, but now I've touched only about the importance, benefiting bacteria. Why is it important, essential bacteria in our life? Okay, so I've been discussing that. So hope you have understood and hope you'll enjoy the next videos. Thank you.